Ooh. Welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So here I have the no leave out crochet method. Your girl is protecting her hair by keeping it all up in here. They really did their big one with this unit. So let's talk about it. Juicy curls, plus I'm not damaging my hair by having leave out. It's a win-win situation for me, baby. So you already know. Keep watching and your girl will show you step by step how I achieve this look. You already know the vibes. They do it for me every time, baby. Yes, it is December and I feel like Christmas came early. I like to fold this up, put this to the side because I keep their packaging each and every time. This is a nice, good quality box. I'm gonna get into this wig in a second, but this box, I store so much stuff in them. 20-inch Afro curly VPart wig. Ooh, she smells good. I love a good branding company. So this is a VPart wig, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this little thread right here that attaches the leave out part. Even though today you already know we're doing no leave out. Open that bad boy right up. So per usual, you do have 2 clips going along each side. So that's a total of 4 clips along the VPart area. And then you also have a elastic band that's attached, or you can detach it. Whether you want to keep it on or take it off, you can. And right here it actually has 4 different loops that you can attach the elastic band, and that it also has grip on it, you know, for extra security so your wig can stay in place. You also have a nice size comb in the back. Make sure a homegirl don't lift up when the wind blows, or after hours when you're trying to do a little something and you want to keep your wig on. Keep her right in place. And even more of a perk just for those 2 things, in case the wind blow or after 9, you have an adjustable strap right here where you can tighten the wig, baby. So what you do is just pull this little knob and it tightens it. Look at it. See how it drew up the back of the wig? And last thing, you do have like an ear cut out here. It kind of goes around your ear right there. They did that big one, baby. Let's loosen this until I get it on my head though. You can just pull that out to loosen it like that. So I have everything braided back. I'm going from a sew-in, and this right here was my leave out. However, I just pushed that back so that I can do this VPart wig with no leave out. So everything is braided up. None of my hair is exposed. So that's the foundation of my braids here. So let's put her on. Let's get this exactly where I need it. Open these up. I mean, this install is going to be super easy, super quick. I put these 2 clips right here behind these 2 braids because that's where I will crochet the hair to create that illusion for my middle part. See, that is what I have now. And you see the curls before I go through and wet and define them. Now, of course, you can wear it straight out of the bag, but I'm going to add some product. If you don't want to do the crochet method, you can do this same thing. Take this hair out and blend it in with the curls. That's if you want leave out. I do not, so I'm going to leave mine braided up. And then also for the back, we do have that drawstring. This is the drawstring, and then we have that comb. You can also just do the drawstring, which is perfect because not everybody like those metal combs. Pull that up real tight and secure. Take this cord and push and tuck that up underneath the wig so that it's not exposed. Really secure. And again, you see this is the side of the wig and you have this arch where the ear is. Because some VPart wigs I have, it be coming all the way down here past my ear. Like, girl, what are you doing? So we here for this one. And before I even go to crochet this hair through, let's define these curls. Do it in 4 sections. This is just water. Okay, wait. I thought I could do 4 sections, but this is a lot of hair. We're going to do 4, 5, 6 sections. The back will get split 4 times. Same thing. Water. Ooh, let me close this shirt and get my body wet. Then comb. More water as needed because the curls are a bit tight and we need them fully saturated to clump. Okay, then once I'm able to get my comb all the way through, then brush starting from the ends, working my way up, add a little mousse for the rest of my life. repeat steps 1 through 5.
Where are this when I thought we were better than that. We better than that, right?
Okay, this is what I will crochet through these 2 sides. Everything else is wet, and I have find my curls all around. It's a thin line between love and hate. Let's define this really quick. Probably have to do it again. What curls at? Curls activate. Okay, thank you. Wait, because I think this is supposed to be in front of this part. Hold on. Okay, I just had to put the edge braid in a little bit. And all I'm doing is putting my latch hook down, grabbing the hair, pulling it back through. And don't worry about it looking like it's a gap or it's not close enough. It's going to tighten the more hair you pull through.
Better than that, right? Your arms are my peace.
You see that already?
Hand in your hand. 11 at night. I'm thinking about this. I'm thinking about this.
So that's everything crocheted through on this side. And now I'll go ahead and detangle it. The curls popping over here.
There's too much anxiety, so I'm like, fuck it. There's too much to take it all in and let it all sink in.
Alright. And once that dry, it'll fill in a little bit more, but that's what we have for now.
There's too much anxiety, so I'm like,
And like I said, if I said it, you want your latch hook going down, depending on what side you're crocheting on.
there's too much to take it all in and let it all sink in. I lost my way. I'm searching for these words to say to you.
You can tell this side is drying faster than this one. Well, I didn't do that one first. But the last thing I would do is use my diffuser to dry my hair. Of course, you can let it air dry, but we're going to do this today.
Right now, to say to you right now, say to you, say to you.
All right. Hallelujah. She is all dry. Do a little fluffy fluff. Wait a minute. Yeah. She'll do. But let's do this. Do a little shake. Okay. That looked really good. I don't think I even need to cut it any. I'm actually not going to cut it. Ooh. The last V part I did, I had to cut it just to like help shape it and, you know. But this, I'm here for it. I think this looks really good. And just like that, we're done. Real easy. The curls are popping. I love it. So good. And then the curls. Let's talk about the definition. Alright, y'all, so that's all for this look. Definitely leave your girl a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look here. And of course, click the link so you can go get yours because the curls are giving and you can definitely eat with this style. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.